Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to remove nose hair easily. This will be a full tutorial and it'll also be a simple tutorial, so let's get right into the video. I'm gonna zoom in on my nose right here. We're gonna get up close and personal. As you can see right here, I'm gonna give you a good view of what I see when I look at the mirror, when I look in the mirror at my nose. So what you wanna do is you wanna get a pair of tweezers like this, and then optionally, you wanna maybe use a pair of small scissors, okay? These are optional, and you can get even smaller scissors than these. Smaller is better because it's easier to avoid making mistakes. But tweezers is really all that you need. It's just a little bit more painful when you use tweezers, but it's more long-term because you actually pull the hair out instead of just trimming it down. What you want to do is just start off by looking at your nose at this angle, see if you see any hair sticking out. Now, I recently plucked my nose hair, so, but every month or so, I'll notice a couple hairs sticking out. I'll get my tweezers, I'll just just pull them out like that. Put the tweezer around the hair, grab the hair, and give it a nice yank downwards like that. Now, if you're like me and you don't have any hair that's sticking out, which is great, but the next step is going to be to sort of flare your nostrils. If you flare your nostrils, let's see what I got here. You can probably see a couple hairs. You see right there. Look at those. Hold on. Let's get this in focus right here. Right over there. So I'm going to flare my nostrils. I'm going to pluck those bad boys out. You might hear me screaming a little bit because it hurts a little bit. So check this out. Oh, yeah. So if you look right there, hopefully we can get this in on focus right there. That bad boy right there just came out. Now, look at my eyes. It's painful, okay? Now, what I would recommend is that you do just hairs that you can see. That's what I'm doing right here. So as you can see, let's see the other side. Right there. Oh, yeah, right there. Okay. So what I recommend is that you flare your nostrils and you pluck out, look at that. Oh, this hurts so much. You pluck out a couple at a time. Okay? What you want, I'm crying, it hurts. It actually hurts, believe it or not. So you want to pluck out a couple at a time, and then you should be good. Like, those hairs will be gone for at least a month before they grow back to that length. Optionally, if you want to keep going, what you can do is take your finger, open up your nostril like this, and you can get out any hairs that you can see. So I can, pull these hairs out. Just like that. You can get out any hairs that you can see right there. Okay. Just like that. Oh, okay. Now, that's one option. The other option, which is less painful, but you're going to have to do this like every week. Okay, I'm crying. Guys, I'm crying here, okay? I'm being serious. You think this is... I totally get why people that, do hair removal wherever, like if they wax and stuff, I get it. It's painful. It is. Okay? I can imagine. Now, the other option is to get a pair of scissors like this. Now, when you're using scissors on your nose, you need to be extremely careful. If you don't feel comfortable doing this, then don't do it, okay? If you don't feel comfortable using scissors very slowly on your nose area, then don't do it. You're not gonna ever stick the scissors in your nose. Never. You're never gonna do that. What you're gonna do is take your scissors, flare your nostril up, and let's say you want to get rid of these hairs right here. Okay, you're gonna take your scissors, you're gonna go, and I'm not touching the skin. I'm not putting the scissors against my nose like that. I'm not doing that. The scissors are slightly away. They're not in my nose. I just give them a little trim like that, okay? As you can see right here, let me just move that hair, just like that, okay? Just like that. The scissors are never going in my nose. The scissors are never touching the actual skin or bone or anything in my nose. They are freely moving around, okay? And I'm holding them just where I can see them, and that's the key. If your scissors go in your nose, you can't see what you're doing. So I'm holding my scissors where I can see them, and I know I'm not gonna cut like any part of my skin or anything. I'm just gonna trim the hair. You can, once again, pull your nostril completely up like that, and you can see what you can get, but I can always see my scissors. You can see right there. Just like that. You can check that. Hold on one second. It's hard for me to do this in the camera as opposed to if I were to be like in a mirror, right? So you can do that slowly. I don't recommend this method because it's short term and it actually takes much longer. It has no pain to it, but it's a little bit more risky because if you don't know what you're doing, you can cut your skin a little bit over here, and you don't want to do that. So I don't recommend this method, but I did want to show you in case you decide that you want to do it. And if you do, like I said, the scissors don't go in your nose. Never. The scissors never go in your nose, and the scissors never touch the skin. Okay, you can always see where your scissors are so that you can avoid, you know, touching the skin. You're just trying to clip off a little bit of hairs. I wouldn't recommend that method. I would only recommend the tweezing method. It's a little bit more painful, but, you know, you get used to it. It's faster too. Just pull them out. Okay, just like that. You pull them out and you get used to it just like that. That's how to remove nose hair easily. Very simple tutorial. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.